PCSO.
Medyo tahimik at tao yan dahil
nag-taper off yung action.
Oo, at saka hindi. Ito pag malalaki kasi nag-iintay ka na makatamaan at medyo may malalaglag eh. Oh.
Suddenly parang lumiliit yung ring eh. Oops, sandali. Medyo...
Oh.
Alam mo, siyempre, referee Baniza will step in.
Tinitingnan niya kung
safety ang ano natin dito eh. No?
Oh, yes.
Ang primary concern.
Oo.
Violent na nga yung sport na cities eh. Ito, exchange of big blows. Right of your screen, or yes, right of your screen, you've got Dan Nazareno Jr. Yuri Noda is the fighter on the right side of your picture in the darker trunks. Bit of green and black actually. Both hail from this province. Noda is from Angeles. On the other hand, Nazareno has roots in San Fernando. Action picking up.
Uy, nagdalaman po ng magandang si Nazareno.
Oop. Nazareno fighting back.
Masakta naman yun.
Nazareno trying to pour it. Oh, right hand does the job.
3, 4, 5.
The count is 5.
6, 7, 8.
He was up on 5. Let's see. Left-handed work. Nazareno trying to apply extreme pressure. It is over. Wala na, hindi na makasuntok mo yun.
Ang ganda na tumama eh. Tama naman kuhatin dahil nga sabi nga natin palagi yung safetyness ng boksingero ay importante.
Mouthpiece.
Parang ano yung paa eh.
Nagkabuhol-buhol ba ka?
Parang na-cramp na ano eh.
Oo, tumigas ano?
Tumigas.
And here it is, Moy. A look at that knockout. The right hand doing the job.
Oh, isang magandang straight ang tumama doon.
It's been a festive night of fists, Moy.
Oo. Marami tayong knockout. Ito na naman ulit. Inawat na po ng referee dahil nga po medyo po hindi pa nakaka-recover si Nuda. Tama po naman na itigil yung laban dahil tingin ko po baka may mangyari sa lalaking ito. Kung wala kang depensa at tatamaan ka talagang
ako na ayun, nagka-cramp. Let's send it to the top of the ring. There will be some presentations to be made. We'll wrap this up in a short while, but let's allow the ring to take over at this point.
Ladies and gentlemen, your official time, 2 minutes in round number 3 for your winner by technical knockout, Dan Nazareno Jr. And both of them will receive biogenic isopropyl alcohol. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our best fight of the evening. Dan Nazareno versus Noda. Winner will receive 4,000 pesos and the loser will receive 2,000 pesos courtesy of the Honorable Mayor Marino Boki Morales. To present the award is Mr. Delphine Lee of Globe Asia Tech.
I like the fact, it's not always that we have a lot of knockouts, but I predict that this will be part of that nice profile collection we have of the ITC Knockout Series, ano ha?
Totoo. At, yung gabi ito po, marami talaga mga na-knockout yun dito sa atin.
Correct.
Pero ito po pinaka-impressive dahil nga sa malalaki, pag malaking kanya, pag tinamaan ka, talagang
tapos ang boxing.
So,
dakal pong salamat from dito sa Mabalacat, Pampanga. Keep it here. Dakal pong salamat. This is In This Corner.